All right, y'all. We back. But yeah, I'm getting rid of this DS18 radio. It's got to go. I mean, over and over, I've been having issues with it. And I've been trying my best to actually deal with it. But it's been like, it's like, instances keep happening like, oh man, it's just keep doing the same thing. And actually, when I turn it down, it always turns itself up. If I want to put it on mute, it unmutes itself. If I'm playing a song and I'm enjoying it, it goes ahead and mute the song. I mean, it does so many things to just bother me and drive me crazy. So right now, it's just like, it's gotta go. It's actually it's actually, making my lifestyle just kind of harsh because, I just can't, deal with reality with this radio just doing me like this. But the thing about it though, it still will bump. It still will, put in a good demo, so, I'm not too mad about it. I'm gonna put the a 13-year-old radio up in here, and I'm gonna let you guys see it. I'm gonna put it on a short for you guys can all check it out. Everything, as far as the system goes, it sounds magnificent in here. When I say magnificent, that's just me enjoying it, man. Like, I have not been really able to show many people how it sounds in here, in person, but everybody that I have showed at my job has truly loved it, man. Like, they like it, man. It does good. It don't hit the lows. Now, it don't hit the lows like the Jeep did. It just doesn't. I'm not, 20 hertz is not strong, for this particular setup that I have right now. 30 hertz and on up is pretty much stronger, so when I'm demoing songs, it's always gonna be in a 30 hertz range, pretty much, 30 hertz and up. I think I did do a 27 hertz one that sounded pretty all right. Some 20 hertz songs do sound all right up in here, but it's like when 20 hertz is playing in here, it's like you just can't really hear it like that. It's not playing aggressively in here. When I mean like 20 hertz, like 26, 27, 28, in that range, that's where it's not really, performing like a 30 hertz tone would perform. I hope you guys understand me with that. Oh, I was about to say, he just going with his latch open, but he got a a letter in his car. So it's like, man. But let's go ahead and just check it out, man. We're gonna fire the car up. You always hearing the little chimes. My boy DeMont was real right on that. I'm gonna let you guys see a little of my face expression why it's banging. To get out of my face if you don't understand. So let's go for it. All right, let's do it. Whoa. Right, here we go. First beat, jump of the gap. It's DJ Rusticles. Take a walk inside my shoes and I can take. I done had a hard time trying to live my life like boogie. If I never rolled so deep, would I be able to breathe easy alone, no peace? All I really know is that I was lonely, no sleep, no cheese, it was killing slowly. Now I got it locked, squat, won't leave till I get what I deserve, and it's what I owe me. Don't get it ahead and pause it. Man. It don't.
Thank you for calling 1-800-REST-IN-OUT hotline.
It don't sound too crazy outside. Like it sounds so crazy inside, but outside it don't really go so crazy, you know. And that's the difference that you might see with the car and the Jeep. This car just has real good installation also, man. Like, but I mean, you can hear it outside. I mean, you can hear it.